Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create and install a custom HTML signature and leave a lasting impression on every email you send. Let's get started. At first, I'm going to post the images for the signature online rather than embedding them directly. This ensures that the emails load quickly and efficiently for the recipients. Now to do this, I'm going to be using a website called imgbb.com. It's free to use and you can easily upload your images. After uploading the images, we will just copy the link and then paste them in my notes file to use later on. Now for the HTML, I'm going to be using Google Fonts to do this. Now you just have to go to fonts.google.com and search for Montserrat and import the fonts to our code. Then I'll style the body and give it the font family of Montserrat and the fallback font. Now for the image signature, for the structure of it, we'll be using tables. This is simply because they work well on all devices and all email platforms. So this is how the email structure goes. We have the table, which serves as a container for the whole content, the table body, which is used to group the rows containing the actual data, and the table row, which defines the rows, and there are usually 2 rows. And finally, the table data, which contains the actual data in the row. Now to the header, photo, and logo section, I'll create a p tag. Within it, I'll paste the image link. Then I reload the page, and as you can see, we have our header photo. Now I have to reduce the size, and I'm going to give it a width of 124 pixel, the height to be auto, and the border of 0. For the logo, we're going to do the same and create another p tag and paste the image link. Now I'll reload the page again. As you can see, we have both our photo header and logo. Now for the social icons, all I'm going to do is to create another p tag and create an a tag for the links. I'll start the a tag by giving it a property of text decoration none and color to be black. As you can see, I'm using the important declaration. This is to ensure that email clients don't conflict with our own styling. Now I'll just duplicate the tags, copy and paste the image links within the a tag, and then I reload the page, and you can see all the icons that we have. I'll create a table data tag within the table row tag and give it a property of vertical align top to ensure that the contents align vertically at the top of the table. And then I'll create a span tag within the table data tag and give it a title like John Doe and wrap it within a strong tag to make the title bold. Then I'll change the font size. Now for the subtitle, I'll use a line break tag to give it some space and add another span tag for the subtitle and give it the title of, Sales and Marketing Director. For the details section, I'll create a p tag, stay within the table data tag, and create a span tag for the details. Then paste the image links and add, then just put a random phone number. And you can also increase the image size if you wish to. You just have to add the attributes or width and give it any size that you desire. The other icon. Now to place it by the right side, I'm going to be using a reference of ampersand MBS semicolon. This usually adds a fixed width space between the elements. I'm just going to copy and paste it like 6 times. So that's, I'll create another span tag and paste the image link and add another rundown phone number for the icon on the right. Then I'm going to be using the line break tag to space out the elements. I'll create another span tag and add an a tag within it. This is to link to the email address. I'll paste the image link and add just a placeholder email address. I'm going to style the a tag to remove the color and the text underline. After this, I'll just copy and paste the span tag and update the details for the rest of the section. Now for the image banner, I'm just going to create a p tag, and within the p tag I'm going to paste the image link, then reload the page. As you can see, we have our HTML image signature. Now quick note, I forgot to wrap the phone numbers within an a tag, and I'll just do that quickly. Now to install the email signature, all we have to do is open a Gmail account, click on settings icon and click on see all settings, and you keep scrolling down until you see the signature section. Now on this, you click on create new and give it any name you want to, then click create, and go back to the finish HTML signature page using the keyboard and not your mouse. You press Ctrl A to highlight the whole page and Ctrl C to copy the signature. Now go back to the Gmail settings, and in the signature section box, press Ctrl V to paste the signature, and then below the page you change these options to the signature name which you created, and finally you click on save changes. And there you have it, you have installed the email signature. Now anytime you want to send the email, you see the signature below it. I'm just going to do a quick test run and send an email to myself. I'll click on it here, and this is the signature. I'm going to test all the links, the phone link, the contact links and the email link, to see if they are working properly. As you can see, they are able to work and they are clickable. So there you have it, your email or custom email signature. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Be sure to like, share and subscribe for more content.